is what we make out of them.
The talent they demonstrate here will be the clear proof that they will be the excellent future of tomorrow.
This duty is conferred upon us to present this beautiful evening, and for that I would like our honorable principal ma'am to have a few words. Please welcome our principal ma'am with a huge round of applause.
And all.
Hello.
Honorable Trustee Sir, Director Sirs, invited guests, and my very dear students and their parents.
Sir.
It really gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to the third annual function of Maharshi Sandipani School, Naroda. Though it is the third year, within this limited period of time, the school has escalated great horizons of success. And today, the school is seen as one of the best institutions of this area, of this our Naroda area, and even of Ahmedabad area. Though today we are awaiting for the program to start, but let me have some few words with you. The school, within this period of time, we have reached to the success not only in academic but also in co-curricular activities. Parents, generally we teachers are telling stories to kids, but today a short story of only 2 minutes, I would like to share with you. The story is like this. The story is specially for parents, so I would request all the parents to listen this story carefully. The king, one of the king was presented with 2 falcon birds. The birds were brought from Arabia. Now, the king has told one of his head trainer to train the birds how to fly. Now, the trainer took the bird and he went away. He had given training to both of the birds. But after months passed and after some period of time, even long period of time, the trainer came to the king back. And he reported that out of these 2 birds, only one bird is able to fly. And the other bird is not trying to fly. The bird is sitting on the branch itself. So what is the solution? He has applied all his strategies, all his skills, all his methodology, everything he has applied. But the bird was not ready to fly. Now he was confused and he went to king. Now king was also confused. This much talent and he could not help my bird to fly. So what to do? Now what he has done, he made once again one more announcement. And in announcement, he declared that whosoever will train my birds to fly, that person will be rewarded. This announcement was listened by one of the peasant, means farmer. Now, the farmer approached the king and he told, "Sir, your majesty, let me try your bird to fly." Now, the same thing happened. The king was surprised. The peasant, the farmer is associated with land. And how could he help the bird to fly? Even though he has put faith on the peasant, on the farmer, and he has given his bird, the second bird, to the peasant. Now, within 2 days, within the period of 2 days only, the king was back. To the king, that peasant was back. And he said, now the bird is flying. So the king was astonished, even shocked. Whatever the work was given to trainer, he could not do. And a simple man, a farmer, a peasant has done this thing possible. So how it is done? He asked, he was very happy with peasant. But he told peasant that you have to tell me what you have done with this bird and why he is flying right now. At that time he said, only one simple thing I do it. I simply cut down the branch where the bird was sitting. Here, the story is symbolic. Birds are not real birds. They are our children. Here, whatever branch is there, the branch is their home, comfortness and coziness. Here, we have to put, the parents have to put trust on school, on teachers, and they have to help the children to come out of their comfort zone and coziness. Here, put faith on teachers. They are ready. Birds are there. They are made up to fly, as well as children are also like they are made up to fly. They are made up to shine out. So please have faith on teachers and give all the responsibility to teachers. We are here to make your students, make your wards future bright. Thank you very much. And before I conclude, let me tell you some important lines, some lines written by Rabindranath Tagore. The lines are like this: the woods are dark, lovely, and deep. The woods are dark, lovely, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. Thank you very much. Here for me, if you do less clapping, it would be fine. But when your students are performing at the time, I expect you should clap loudly for them and you should encourage them. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Great story. Thank you for your words. Now I would like to call upon our coordinator, sir, Sushil sir, to have few words and have the achievements of this year, the previous year.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am privileged to be here on dais to welcome you hearty. It is my immense pleasure to extend my gratitude towards your welcoming. आप सभी का इस हसीन शाम को स्वागत है। आपने अक्सर ऐसे कई महोत्सव में हाजिरी दी होगी, आपकी उपस्थिति होगी, पर आज जो हमारा महोत्सव आज आपकी उपस्थिति की वजह से जो चार चांद लग गए हैं, उसके लिए मैं सहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। First of all, we'll have a glimpses of achievements of our Sandipani family, school children. The first, I would like to mention here that the school has been one of the status at state level volleyball competition. The school stood as a champion, and the names of the achievers are here with me. Jetva Utsavi, Pandey Pragati, Patel Diya, Modi Hetvi, Patel Niti, Thakwani Bhumika, Joshi Rahi, Pandya Meshwa, Charan Krishna, Barad Hadi, Patel Dhruvi, and Vadvani Vidhi. These all were the girls. That means we here focus on girls' empowerment. Please give them a big hand. Let me just give you again a glimpses of the beginning of our institutions. The school we started in the year 2014. Actually, we all know the 2040 years, a summer was very scorching. So that's why our trustees, the managing trustees and these partners, they had some decision regarding opening the school 10 days late. And the day was fixed as 18 June 2014. In the beginning, we had, with your support, 250 students with us. But in the progressive years, we found 2016, 2015, 1,700 students. And now in this year, we have found with your help, your cooperation, 1,100 students. Please again give a big hand for the achievements. And out of 1,100 students, more than 1,000 students have participated in this annual function. 1100 बच्चे में से 1000 से भी अधिक बच्चों ने इस महोत्सव में हिस्सा लिया है। उन सभी बच्चों के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। आइंदा हम ऐसे महोत्सव में देखते हैं और सुनते भी हैं कि क्या अचीवमेंट्स है और क्या नहीं है। यहाँ एक अपने समाज का एक अलग ही पहलू आपके सामने मैं बयां करूँगा। आपने गुजराती में कहावत सुनी होगी, बिना सहकार नहीं उद्धार। यहाँ मैं आपको एक ऐसे सहकार की बात करने वाला हूँ जो किया है आपने और आप सभी ने। देखा जाए यहाँ पर ये वार्षिक महोत्सव की तैयारियों के रूप में एक सुर्खियाँ ले लेते हैं। शुरुआत से ही हमारे पेरेंट्स आप वालीगढ़ ने इतना सपोर्ट किया है हमें, जिसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ इस मंच पे खड़ा हूँ और ये प्राइड ले रहा हूँ कि रियली अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी टू वेलकम यू हियर। आज सुबह की ही बात ले लूँ मैं कि हमारे एक ऐसे पेरेंट्स हैं जिनका नाम है मिसिस निधि पटेल। वो वर्किंग वूमन है, फिर भी आज जब हम सभी काम में लगे हुए थे उन्होंने ही हाथ बढ़ाया। मेरे 4 बच्चे जिनको एक बाइक के ऊपर मैं लेके नहीं जा सकता था, उनमें से 3 बच्चों ने अपने घर तक पहुंचाने के लिए उन्होंने हमारी सहायता की। ऐसी वुमन के लिए प्लीज़ एक बार तालियां हो जाए। अक्सर हमने देखा हुआ कि स्कूल आवर्स के बाद भी हमारे बच्चे रुके हैं और प्रैक्टिस की है, वो थक गए हुए थे, उनको एनर्जी की ज़रूरत थी। ग्लूकोज पाउडर हमने उनको पिला के भी उनको एनर्जी देकर ये काम करवाया है। उन सभी बच्चों के लिए एक बार फिर तालियां हो जाए। ये सहकार है आपका, आप वालीगण के सहकार के बिना ये प्रोग्राम बिल्कुल असंभव था। आगे भी हमारे बच्चों के कई 1-2 बच्चों के कोई एक्सीडेंट